Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your Yamaha Motif XS or ES series keyboard. Specifically, we're diving into this 2 GB RAM upgrade kit designed to boost the performance of your beloved workstation. If you're still rocking a Motif XS6, XS7, XS8, or even an ES6, ES7, or ES8, you know these instruments are powerhouses. But like any digital instrument, they can sometimes feel a little sluggish, especially when dealing with large sample libraries or complex arrangements. That's where this RAM upgrade comes in. This kit includes two 1 GB memory modules, giving you a total of 2 GB to play with. Now, some might think 2 GB isn't a lot in today's world, but for these older Motif models, it can make a significant difference. We're talking about faster loading times, smoother operation when switching between voices, and the ability to handle more complex sequences without those dreaded audio dropouts. The RAM itself is PC133, which is the correct speed for these Yamaha models. It's a 168-pin DMM, so installation is generally straightforward. Of course, always consult your Motifs manual for specific instructions on how to install RAM. But generally, it involves opening up the keyboard, locating the memory slots, and carefully inserting the new modules. One of the best things about this particular kit is that it's system-specific. This means it's been designed and tested to work flawlessly with the Yamaha Motif XS and ES series. You're not just buying generic RAM and hoping it works. You're getting memory that's guaranteed to be compatible. Another plus is the lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support. That gives you peace of mind knowing that if you run into any issues, you're covered. Plus, it's ROHS and halogen-free, which is always a good thing from an environmental standpoint. In terms of real-world performance, users have reported noticeable improvements after installing this RAM upgrade. They've mentioned faster boot times, smoother transitions between voices, and the ability to load larger sample libraries without any problems. If you're finding your Motif is struggling to keep up with your demands, this RAM upgrade is definitely worth considering. It's a relatively inexpensive way to extend the life of your instrument and unlock its full potential. It allows you to load more voices and samples into the memory. Of course, it's important to note that this upgrade won't magically transform your Motif into a brand new workstation. It won't add new features or sounds. But what it will do is improve the overall performance and stability of your instrument, making it a more enjoyable and efficient tool to use. So, if you're looking for a way to breathe new life into your Yamaha Motif XS or ES series keyboard, this 2 GB RAM upgrade kit is definitely worth checking out. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to boost performance and unlock the full potential of your instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.